Hello everyone. My name is James, and I am 22 years old. I was born and raised in New York, USA. Currently, I am a college student, studying business administration. I enjoy learning new things, meeting new people, and improving my skills every day. I live with my family, which includes my parents, my elder brother, and my younger sister. My father is a doctor, and my mother is a teacher. They always encourage me to do my best in my studies and support me in everything I do. My elder brother, Michael, is 25 years old, and he works as a software engineer. He is very intelligent and always helps me with my studies. My younger sister, Emily, is 18 years old and is in high school. She is very creative and loves painting and music. In my free time, I like reading books, watching movies, and playing basketball with my friends. I also enjoy traveling and exploring new places. My dream is to complete my education and start my own business in the future. I believe that learning English is very important because it helps us communicate with people from different countries. That's why I am improving my English every day by reading, writing, and speaking with my friends. Thank you for listening to my introduction. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support helps me create more amazing content for you, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's grow this community together. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video.